Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Michael Balseric. If you don't know, I make YouTube videos about everything and anything about my life. Alright guys, so I got my shoes here. I'm about to go running. I just got off of work and I have to go running right after work because it gets super cold here. Well, not super cold, but it does get pretty chilly. And I like to spend the evenings with Kristen and the girls, so I'm gonna go running. I'm going to drink my coffee right before I run. Just straight black is how I drink my coffee. And eat my banana. Now, I'm gonna go running for 5 miles. Now, I think it's 2 videos ago, or maybe 3 videos ago, whatever, I went running. And I've been running every day since then. And I have seen a difference in my energy, the way I sleep, the way I work, the way I look, and the way I eat. But yeah, so 5 miles every day, trying to tie my shoes at the same time. But as I go running, I'm gonna let you guys watch a couple of clips. I mentioned in my last video about building building a computer with Roland. So here are some of those clips of us building his gaming laptop or his gaming computer the other day. So here are those clips. I'm gonna go running as well. We'll check up with you later on. All right guys, excuse the hair, excuse the red shirt. I know it's super red, but like I said, remember my last video, we're gonna go ahead and take a look at this. It's going to be somewhat my first build, not even mine, I'm just helping JR. He's gonna entertain me or allow me to not break this. So JR, can you tell us what this is real quick, please? Because I don't know what this is.
So that's the motherboard, and then all the parts that we have here are going to connect to that.
Hence the word motherboard. Can I take it out?
Yeah, and you can put it on top of this.
It's all heavy.
We're gonna need some of these.
Dang, it smells like a motherboard.
You can put it right on there.
So we have this here. This is where the GPU goes.
The CPU.
CPU. Look at that. I'm already learning something.
Who's JR?
JR is Kristen's brother. He's single, ladies. Hit him up.
So this is it. You're gonna just touch the corners. There's an arrow on there. I don't know how it comes up. Oh, it should actually open
this one.
Don't touch it yet.
On the side.
There's an arrow somewhere on one of the corners. Should be on the green part, I think. It should be on the top side.
An arrow?
A golden arrow.
I don't see an arrow.
Oh yeah, it's right here. Really tiny.
Oh, okay, I see it now.
So you're gonna take this off. You're gonna push that down and push it to the side, just to like unclamp sort of. In there. Don't like push it. Yeah, so just kind of put it in there. Yeah.
Dang.
Yep. And then you're gonna push that all the way back into the locking in place. Yep.
Here it is. You got yourself some stickers. Roland is telling me that it has to go into, what'd you say, B1?
Yeah, I opened them already, B2 and A2. So they're off center. If you look at the bottom, there's like the.
Okay, it doesn't matter which one it goes in.
It doesn't matter which one it goes in, but it matters which way you put it.
Put it in, yeah. All right. If you guys know anything about RAM, this is what helps your computer stay fast. Like this way?
Yeah, so this is off center. It's a little to the left side. Look at it. Let's see which way it goes in. Yeah, it looks like it's that way. And then just like both of these and just kind of push it in. You'll like bend it. It'll go in. Did you do both of these? Yeah.
There it goes. Who would have thought? Who would have thunk it? This would have been awesome.
Okay.
There it is.
Now.
So now we have the GPU.
The CPU.
CPU. What did I say?
GPU.
GPU. Didn't I say CPU before?
No, you said GPU first, and then I corrected you. And then you did it again, and then I corrected you.
So it's a CPU. I'm getting so confused. And we have the RAM on here. As you can tell, this is my first time attempting this, and it will not be my last. Mark my words, YouTube. There it goes.
Okay.
Yeah, it's all scary.
That's pretty scary.
It's all locked.
So then this
This is a CPU fan, by the way.
it's gonna go into this right here. You can plug it in. It goes in that way.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, all of our hard work, well, Roland's hard work, is about to pay off, hopefully. So, if we take a look right here, you want to show the people right here everything. So, what was this? This is the graphics card.
Also known as what we call on
CPU?
the GPU.
GPU! And this is the CPU, correct?
Yes.
So this is a fan, but we're behind it. So this is CPU, GPU. And then these are all the cables that took the longest out of everything. So we're plugged it in. Now we're gonna see if it
Comes on.
powers on.
Go for it, Mike.
Push it. Ready?
I'm just kidding. I didn't turn it
Oh. Fail.
on. All right.
Okay, let's try it again. Take two. Ready? 1, 2. Oh!
Oh.
Damn! Look at it!
We just didn't messed up on one part.
What part did we mess up on?
These aren't spinning. I think it was those
The small ones.
these down here. But for the most part, it's working. I just gotta replug these in,
Uh-oh.
which should be easy to fix.
Alright guys, we got all of them rolling now. Spinning.
We figured it out.
Dang. What's the first game you're gonna play on this?
Call of Duty.
Dang. Alright guys, so I just got done running. I am cooking right now at Kristen's house. We've cooked this before in one of the videos where we just cut up some kielbasa, some veggies on the side, a very simple meal. Actually, this is probably one of the very first meals that I cooked for Kristen at her place, and she's grown to love it, I hope. Did you?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Who's that?
Kristen and me and Nia.
Oh.
And I draw the lightning.
You drew lightning?
Yeah.
What are you doing, Nia?
Just watching kids YouTube. And this is Kristen.
And that's Kristen.
Wow, that is me.
And
Oh,
But yeah, I'm finished cooking, and then I want to show you guys some of Kelly's Christmas cards that she's been making. I'll show you after we're done cooking because she's making them right now. So if you guys are looking for some holiday gift card, not gift cards, holiday cards, let Kelly know. Hit her up in her Tic Toc because that's what she has, and place your orders. All right, we just finished the food cooking. That's how it looks. You like it?
Mm-hmm.
Is it hot? Tastes good though. What about you?
I have these, and I have like rice and
Kielbasa.
pasta.
You like it?
Yep.
Yeah. What about you?
Mm-hmm.
Kelly? You like it? Are you tolerating it? Tolerating it?
No, I like it.
Kelly, Shawn Mendes CD or album. CD, dang, how old. Rank it 1 out of 10. The new one.
8.
Okay. And this is their angel for their Christmas tree. Dang, they put this up yesterday.
What?
Look at all those presents though. Zoe's is right there. Mine's right there, as you can see. Mine's.
And the one with the heart?
Yeah. What is it?
I'm not telling you. You'll see it Christmas Day.
Whatever. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Follow me on all my social media. The links will be down below. We'll see you guys in the next one. Stay safe, stay warm. Peace.